Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and here's a quick comparison of Agoda versus the Booking.com 2025 to help you pick the best travel booking platform. So Agoda versus Booking.com, which one is better? The first one is Agoda. Strong presence in Asia Pacific with competitive hotel rates, known for offering discount-heavy deals and flash sales. Wide selections of accommodations including hotels, apartments, and vacation rentals. User-friendly app with a rewards program and cashback offers. Good for travelers focusing on Asia and budget stays. Now, Booking.com, one of the largest global travel platforms, huge inventory covering hotels, homes, resorts, and more worldwide. Flexible cancellation policies and users' reviews. Strong customer support and loyalty program. The genius and great for travelers wanting broad choice, globally, and flexibility. Now choose Agoda if traveling mainly in Asia or nearby regions. You want to grab flash deals and discounts. You prefer cashback and rewards on booking. Choose Booking.com if you want the widest selection worldwide, you value flexible cancellation and trusted reviews, you want a strong loyalty program with perks. Now here is the final verdict that Agoda is better for Asia-focused travelers looking for deals. Booking.com is better for global travelers needing flexibility and variety. So it's up to you. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up and don't forget to let us know which one you are going to prefer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.